Kids bed.
Let's learn body parts. Mouth. This is mouth. Face. This is face. Ear. This is ear. Nose. This is nose. Eyes. These are eyes. Lips. These are lips. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. Chin. This is chin. Cheeks. These are cheeks. Head. This is head. Eyebrow. This is eyebrow. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Hand. This is hand. Finger. This is finger. Nail. This is nail. Legs. These are legs. Thigh. This is thigh. Knee. This is knee. Foot. This is foot. Toe. This is toe. Stomach. This is stomach. Hair. This is hair. Now let's see one by one. Hair. Head. Eyebrow. Ear. Eye. Mouth. Chin. Nose. Cheek. Shoulder. Hand. Finger. Stomach. Thigh. Knee. Leg. Foot. Toe. Thanks for watching.